Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your profile from the public in LinkedIn. By this method, you will be completely hidden from the public, so no one will be able to search for you or send you the connection request. So let me show you how you can do that. To completely hide your profile from the public, once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, you need to go to your profile. You can do that by clicking on this picture or go to the me icon and here click on view profile. And now you need to click on your profile picture. Now I'm going to edit my privacy for my profile picture, and here is the option for anyone. I'll be selecting this option and click on save. Just click on this cross icon, and now on the top right you can see there's an option for edit public profile and URL. Just click on this. In the bottom right you can see there's an option for your profile public visibility. You can scroll down to see there's options. You can completely hide your profile from the public by clicking on this option. Once I click on this green icon, you can see my profile visibility is now turned off, and at the bottom there will be a pop-up for success. And that's how you can turn off your profile visibility in LinkedIn account. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.